In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, you need to click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, tap on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen, select your text and use pin icon next to the pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!